Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Learning with Joy. So today we'll be learning how to load the data from one table that is which is present in Oracle to load that particular table and the data whatever is present in it into MySQL database using Talend. Okay, so we are connecting two databases using Talend. Right, friends? So I'll quickly jump into the topic. So this is the job which I have created. Okay. So there are very simple steps. Okay. You can do this with any sort of databases. So right now I'm using Oracle and MySQL. Okay. First and foremost thing is pre-job, you will be opening the connections. Okay. So the MySQL connection and Oracle connection. Okay, so this is how you create the connection. So I'll be uploading one more video for the people who don't know how to create the connection, like how to connect the databases with the Talend. For your understanding, I'll be creating one more video. I'll be uploading it soon. Okay, right now I'll just tell you in brief that I have opened the connection for MySQL and Oracle. Okay, next step is I am taking the TDB input. Okay, this is the database, right? So we'll be taking the input component. Okay, so I'm taking the input component. So let me show you what is the table I'm using right now. So for here is I'm showing you the scripts as well. Okay, if anyone are very new to SQL codes and all, you can just note it down. Okay, I've created a table with dummy data for the customer details. I have entered few of the data. Okay, so this one, if you select the Oracle table, I have given the name as Oracle table and I have loaded the data. So there are 5 records. So I want to load this data, this table and these all records into MySQL. So if I show you here, right now we have all this. Okay, so let me truncate it for you. Okay, so right now we don't have any of this data. Okay, so one more thing I'll show you 2 to 3 different approaches. Okay, so I'll drop it off also. Okay, that means I'm removing the table completely. Okay, so here if you see now it shows this doesn't exist. Okay, I'll show you how to create from Talend itself. Okay, and without creating the particular table, like without writing these scripts, you can directly create it from Talend also. Okay, guys, so let's go to the job. So first thing is, as you know, these are the connections. Okay, how to create the connections, like the metadata things, I hope you're aware of. And I have created the MySQL and Oracle things. Okay, so I'm dragging and dropping it here. If you see all the repository and the table, I have given the name as Oracle table as it is present here, Oracle table. Okay, so these are all the connection things, right? I am connecting this one to the tmap. Okay, guys, so just simple thing, I'm not doing any operations or anything, just the data whatever is present, all the columns, I'm just dragging and dropping it here. So you need to check all the data types are matching or not. Okay, the date patterns any, and what are the integers, strings and all these things. Okay, so now this one we will be directly connecting it to MySQL table. Okay, so now here, how can we create a table from Talend itself without that present in the database, MySQL database? So here we have action. Okay, first thing is this MySQL table, I have taken it from here. Okay, drag and drop, and I'm taking it as TDB output. Okay, so these all connections will be pre-loaded. So here, if you see it's a repository, that means it's already present here. So the metadata will come, all these ones are pre-filled. Now, the one which you need to fill is the name of the table. What will be the name of the table? Just for your understanding, I'm differentiating the table names. So if the table names might be different, just for our understanding, I'm giving that this is the MySQL table and this is the Oracle table. Okay, so here action on the table. So default, as in defaultly the data gets included in it, like it gets loaded. Okay, drop and create table. For example, you suppose you feel that with that particular name or previously I have loaded the data in it and you want a new data in it, so you just check drop that particular table which is already present and create the new table for me with this name. Okay, if you think there is no table, if you think that the table is not at all present, you are sure about it, just click create table. Okay, and if you are in a dilemma, like it might be there or it might not be there, you can just click create table if that particular table does not exist. And then if you are sure that a particular table is there, you just click drop table if exists and then create. Okay, clear the table, it will clear the table. Okay, then truncate table, the data, the records will be truncated if that particular table is present. So as per your convenience, as per your requirement, please select the option. What right now what I am doing is I'm telling the table is not present for me, so I'm checking create table if does not exist, and the action on data is insert. Right now there is no updations or anything going on. Okay, so here if you see the schema is simple, this schema comes here if you click edit schema. Okay, so the final thing after the data gets loaded, the final thing what I'm doing is I'm closing the connections, which is important. Okay, so let me just run the job for you. Okay, see, it is connected and the 5 rows are present in our table. Those 5 rows are coming into my SQL table. So let's quickly get into this and see guys, all the data has come. So you can check the date of birth, like the date format, it is default format. So whatever you put it there, it will come and store it in the default format of MySQL, year, month and date. Right guys, I hope this was informative. And let me show you one more small thing here. Create table if does not exist is present. Right now, but the table is already present. Now what I'll do, I'll tell drop table if exists and create. Okay, let's just do this also. See, the same happens. Now, the same. Okay, friends, one final thing, just for your understanding. I don't want to drop the table. I want to truncate the data, whatever is there, and I want to load the new data for myself. Okay, so truncate table, I'll just save it and let's run that. See, simple. So whatever is your requirement, please do as per that. Okay, so I hope this one was useful for you. If you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. Okay, so let's meet in our next video. I'll come up with some much more content. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and thank you guys, thank you for watching the video. Good day, bye.